Okay, so we're in the Eric Payne Centre. This is an instruction on how to use the dishwasher. So starting off with the main switch in the off position, we open up Mr. Dishwasher. Oh, I'm going to go into zoom mode so we can see everything, yeah? So we open up the dishwasher, we take out the tray. So at this point, all the buttons are off. So to be clear, that button is off, these buttons are out. We go down here and we uncork that, and we put this plastic thing in. And it's got to be staying up all by itself. We then put this in, it's keyed, so it can't, there's a key, and that goes in that slot, and then you turn it a fraction to the right, so now that's locked, and that's locked, so that's both locked. And now we can put this tray back in. So now the exit point is locked, the tray is in. Okay, now we can power it on. And now we can actually power it on at the unit. So we have to so this light goes on, but we have to wait about half an hour until this light comes on. So until this light comes on, it's no good. So we can close the dishwasher at this point, and when we close it, you should hear the water coming in. So the water's going to come in and it's going to be heated, but until this light comes on, it's not up to temperature. Okay, so when it's up to temperature, we're going to press this button and everything's going to be fine. So we're going to be back later with the lights on, and let's see what happens. Okay, now we're ready for the first wash. The power switch is on, and due to the fact this isn't working as well as I would like it to work, this light is not on. So when this light's not on, what you can do is you can take your hand, I've got a glove on so I don't burn my hand, and put my hand down in there, and if it's really nice and warm and hot, we can start anyway. So with the water hot, this light isn't on but it ought to be. We close the door, nothing so far, and then we press this right hand button only. So to recap, this right hand button is in, this is not in, this light is not on but it ought to be on, and this button is in. So now the program starts and it only lasts for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes the program automatically starts when you close the door, and when it stops making a noise, it's finished and ready to take out. Okay, Darren, I hope you can hear me. The dishwasher has stopped making a noise, although it's quite difficult to tell. Now, we open the door, and it's very steamy and hot. Now, you don't have to put any glasses in here, but everything else is fair game. So we've got cutlery, and we've got the cups. Now, the key thing is, take the cups out, and leave them for about 30 seconds. If you do that, it's so hot, they don't really need very much drying. So here we go, here's a test. So they're the cups that have come out, and they will dry pretty much by themselves. So once it's been emptied, you just fill it up again and close the door. And remember, when you close the door, it will start automatically. And that is it, until the finish, where there will be some more information. Okay, Darren, it's come to that time of the afternoon where we're going to try and close down the dishwasher. So we've emptied the dishwasher of all crockery and plates and glasses and things like that. Sorry, no glasses, but cups and cutlery. And now we take out this plastic tray, and now you'll notice there's a heating element, but there's also a seal. So we've got to take out this seal here. Now I happen to have got some gloves on, which is unusual. So this has got some rubbish in it that needs to be cleaned out. So you put that in the sink and clean it out. Look at all of that. Now, the drain plug is going to be pulled out. So you're going to pull that out. Done. Now, we have to take, on the right hand side, these buttons, we have to press this drain button. Unless you press this, it will stay and you'll have a horrible situation next week. So I'm pressing. See a bit of swirl there. Swirl is coming. Swirl-tastic. Clearly there might be some cutlery that's made its way out of the tray. That's the heating element, which needs a bit of descaling in my opinion. You can hear it, you can hear it. That's it, we're nearly there, we're nearly there. It's about a whole minute and a bit so far, about a minute and a half. That is it, emptied. So now, that butt can come out, sorry, this butt can come out, this butt can come out, and now the power can go off here. Finally the tray can go back in. Oh, I have to take out the cutlery. Tray can go back in. And the door can close, nothing's going to start because the power is off. And last but not least, the mains isolation switch.